How lucky am I? Yep, the sprouting company has sent me a sprouter. Let's see what we got. Look at this. I have a whole sprouting kit. So you have to understand how important this is. When I started sprouting back in the 70s, this is what we had, right? And you made it work. But now there's a company. What have I got here? A stand. And it's all set up. How exciting is this? And you get sprouts so that you can start right away. How great is this? A sprouting kit. No more 1967 sprouting.